Has your Windows Explorer suddenly stopped responding? Your taskbar vanished, folders won't open, and your entire desktop just froze. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, starting with the fastest solution that takes just 5 seconds.
Before we jump into the fixes, let's understand what's actually broken. Windows Explorer, also known as EXPLORER.EXE, is the core process that controls your entire desktop experience. It manages your File Explorer windows, your taskbar, your Start menu, and your desktop icons. When EXPLORER.EXE crashes or freezes, all of those disappear at once. That's why it feels like your whole computer broke.
So why does Explorer keep crashing? There are 13 common root causes. The most frequent ones are corrupted, quick access cache, faulty third-party shell extensions, corrupted system files, and Windows Update bugs. Other causes include Windows search service issues, corrupted thumbnail cache, network drive timeouts, GPU driver problems, large folders, malware, registry corruption, memory leaks, and UI customization tools like Explorer Patcher. Let's start fixing them right now.
Fix number 1. Restart Windows Explorer. This is the quickest fix and takes just 5 seconds. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the Processes tab, right-click on it and select Restart. Your screen will flash briefly as Explorer reloads. Note that this is a temporary fix. For a permanent solution, keep watching.
Fix number 2, clear File Explorer history. This fixes the number 1 most common cause of Explorer freezes. Press Win plus R, type Control Folders, and press Enter. In the General tab, find the Privacy section. Click the Clear button next to clear File Explorer history. Click Apply, then OK. This removes corrupted cache entries that cause Explorer to hang.
Fix number 3, disable quick access. This is a preventive fix that stops future freezes. Open File Explorer options again. Find the setting that says Open File Explorer to. Change it from quick access to this PC. Click Apply, then OK. Quick access caches your recently opened files. And when those cache entries get corrupted, Explorer hangs every time it opens.
Fix number 4. Run the SFC and DISM scan. This repairs corrupted system files. Right-click the Start button and open Terminal as administrator. First, type sfc/scanow and press Enter. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to finish. Then type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. Reboot your PC after both scans complete. Microsoft officially recommends this as the primary repair step.
Fix number 5, disable problematic shell extensions. This is the highest rated fix for right-click crashes. Download ShellXView from Nearsoft. It's a free tool. Sort by type and look for context menu handlers. Disable non-Microsoft extensions one by one, restarting Explorer after each to test. Common culprits include Dropbox, Notepad, plus core antivirus software, and archive tools. The extension that stops the crashes is your culprit.
Fix number 6, rebuild the Windows search index. Open Control Panel and search for indexing options. Click Advanced, then click Rebuild in the troubleshooting section. This can take hours for large drives, but it fixes Explorer freezes caused by a stuck Windows search service. A quicker alternative is to press Win plus R, type Services MSC, find Windows Search, and restart the service.
Fix number 7, install Windows Updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, including optional ones. Microsoft has released P2Cast for Explorer crashes KB507-4105 from January 2026, fixes Explorer.EXE startup crashes. KB5089549 from May 2026, fixes taskbar freezes and quick access bugs. Restart your PC after installing.
Let me explain the top 3 causes in more detail. Number 1, corrupted quick access cache. Explorer stores your recently accessed files in a cache. When those entries become corrupted, Explorer hangs trying to read invalid paths every time it opens. Number 2. Shell extension conflicts. Apps like Dropbox, NotePP+, and antivirus tools inject code into Explorer's right-click menu. A buggy extension crashes the entire process. Number 3. Memory leak. EXPLORER.EXE can slowly consume more and more RAM, up to 2 GB or more. As memory fills up, the entire process becomes sluggish and eventually freezes.
Fix number 8. Perform a clean boot. This definitively identifies software conflicts. Press Win+R, type msconfig, and press Enter. Go to the Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services. Click Disable All. Then go to the Startup tab and disable all startup items. Restart your PC. If Explorer works fine, re-enable services one by one to find the conflict.
Here are 4 more fixes. Fix 9. Clear the thumbnail cache. Open Disk Cleanup, select your C drive, check thumbnails, and delete. Fix 10. Update your GPU drivers. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, right-click your GPU, and select Update Driver. Fix 11. Disconnect network drives. Open Command Prompt and run netu*/delete/y. Then restart Explorer. Fix 12. Run a full malware scan. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection and select Full Scan.
Here are 3 last resort solutions. Fix 13. Fix the memory leak. Open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab and check EXPLORER.EXE memory usage. If it exceeds 500 megabytes, restart Explorer and find the leak source by disabling shell extensions one by one. Fix 14. Disable UI customization tools. If you use Explorer Patcher, Translucent TB, Start Allback, or Wallpaper Engine, uninstall them. These tools inject code directly into EXPLORER.EXE and frequently break after Windows updates. Fix 15. In-place upgrade. Download the latest Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. Mount it, run setup.exe, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This fixes virtually all software-level issues.
Here's a quick reference of all 15 fixes in order. Restart Explorer, clear File Explorer history, disable quick access, run SFC plus DSM, disable shell extensions, rebuild search index, install Windows updates, perform clean boot, clear thumbnail cache, update GPU drivers, disconnect network drives, full malware scan, fix memory leak, disable UI customization tools, and in-place upgrade. Start with Fix 1 and work your way down until the problem is resolved.
Did this video fix your Windows Explorer issue? If it helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.